Mistplay is officially designed for Android devices running Android 7 or newer. So if the app icon disappears after an update, first check whether Mistplay is still installed and compatible before assuming your account or rewards are gone. Mistplay. Supportum one temda. By the end, you'll know how to find the app, restore the icon, check compatibility, and safely reinstall Mistplay if the update actually removed the app. Start by opening your phone's app drawer instead of searching only the home screen. On Android, swipe up to see the complete list of installed apps and search for Mistplay. If Mistplay appears there, the app is still installed and the problem is usually just the home screen shortcut. Press and hold the Mistplay icon and drag it back onto your home screen. If your phone uses a launcher with an option such as Add to Home Screen, use that option instead. If Mistplay does not appear in the app drawer, open Google Play Store and search for Mistplay. If the Play Store shows opening, Mistplay is installed, even though the shortcut may be missing. Tap Open, then check whether the app launches normally. If the Play Store shows installing instead, the app is no longer installed on the device. Mistplay's current account guide says the app is downloaded through Google Play Store. Mistplay, support, auto-ending. Before reinstalling, make sure you can still access the Mistplay account you previously used. Mistplay says your login method needs to match the method used when the account was created, such as Google, Facebook, or email. Mistplay, supportum 3. That matters because reinstalling the app is not the same as creating a new account. Use your existing login details rather than signing up again. Next, check compatibility if Google Play says Mistplay is unavailable or no longer compatible. Mistplay currently supports Android 7 and newer, but its support page lists certain devices and brands that can experience compatibility problems, including Google Chromebook, Amazon Fire Tablet, Huawei Honor 50, and some Nokia, Motorola, and Honor devices. Mistplay supportum 1. If the app opens but behaves incorrectly after the update, force stop Mistplay and restart the phone. Mistplay specifically recommends force stopping the app and restarting the device for certain app and service problems. Mistplay, supportum 4 second. On Android you can also clear Mistplay's cache. Long press the Mistplay icon, open the app information screen, select storage or cache, and choose Clear Cache. Mistplay lists this as a troubleshooting step for certain session errors. Mistplay, supportum 4. If the icon is still missing, reinstall Mistplay from Google Play Store, then sign in using the original account method. The practical order is, check the app drawer, restore the shortcut, search Google Play, verify compatibility, restart the phone, clear cache if needed, and reinstall only when Mistplay is actually missing. If your account or rewards look different after reinstalling, stop before creating another account and contact Mistplay support. Their current guide says support can be reached through the app or help center. Mistplay, supportum 5. If this fixed your missing Mistplay icon, like the video and subscribe for more Mistplay troubleshooting guides.